Hello everybody, welcome back to another Minecraft video, where today we're actually in the snapshot 18W11B, I think, I don't know, let me check, it's 18W11A, so, the last snapshot we were in, it was like 18W7 something, I think. I don't know. That's stupid slimes. But anyway, as you can tell from the title of this video, we're actually gonna be reviewing the Infinity Gauntlet by from the latest Avengers movie that's about to come out in a few weeks. Go away. Okay. But yeah. This creation was done by McMackistein. Special thanks to him. And so we're gonna be taking a look at the Infinity Gauntlet. Oh, you stupid slimes. No. Here, RIP slime. Anyway. Okay, I'm setting it to peaceful for now. Anyways. This is a world data pack, and I'll show you how to install it later in this video. But, so what we need to make the Infinity Stones is 6 Nether Stars, 6 dyes, which is Cactus Green, Lapis Purple, Dandelion Yellow, Red, and Orange, to make the different Infinity Stones. And basically what you do, you don't craft them normally. You throw each nether star down, and then you die down. And yeah. Wait. Where are the other nether stars? Okay, I'm gonna have to get 3 of them. I think they were too close. Here we go. So, oh, and no. There we go. So, now that you have all 6 Infinity Stones, you may think you're all powerful, but really, no. Oh, yes, keep in mind that there's actually also a resource pack, required for this. Yeah, so, I don't even know why there are particles on me, but, you're now gonna need, here, let me put these away, oh, who cares? So, now what you need is, actually, we can use these, and then you need 64 gold and an Eye of Ender to get Infinity Gauntlet. So you place that, all of that, and now we have the Infinity Gauntlet. So if you switch hands with it, use the key to switch hands with it. Mine is F. So do that, and then you have all these different abilities. If you want to use an ability, just switch it back. So we're gonna go with the first one. So we are going to get a donkey. Yeah, a donkey. You're gonna spawn a donkey, and then it lets you the donkey. Can I mind control you? So now you are actually controlling the donkey, which is actually pretty insane. This works with any mob. I'm not sure if it actually works with boats. Let me check. So it does not work with boats. I think it only works with, like, actual mobs, not minecarts or anything. So yeah, that's mind control. Then we have rockets, which I'm guessing you know what blows stuff up. It can also blow an entity up. See, the donkey's gone. So the next one is a fireball, where if we actually go to gonna make it, that. And now, go into survival. This will, well, time set midnight. Oops. So yeah. Look at this now. So the more fireballs you collect, the more you can use. And how you use the fireball is you right click with it, mob, to instantly kill that mob. So yeah, on to stability. Ow! Hey, I'm trying to record. Oh my gosh! Okay, hey, I'm trying to record a video, okay? The next ability is stealth mode, where if you just right click, you're in stealth mode, they can't even see you. Hold on, I'm gonna need to give myself, red. Hey man, you know what, I'm just gonna give me 64 bread. Minecraft bread 64. Here we go. So, how are we already hungry? But, oh, it's because we're in hard. Hold on. Normal. So, yeah, we're in stealth mode. And we press shift to get out of stealth mode. See, look, this guy's coming at me. Wait, where'd my bread go? Oh, that's annoying. So, okay. No. Okay, so, next ability is stopping time. You just press and hold right click to stop time with the infinity command. I'm gonna need to leave now. Bye. So yeah, it stops time completely. And then when you let go of right click, so you can walk past all of these mobs without them noticing. What about Creeper? Creeper. Can it hurt me? No? Really? So you can punch stuff when stopping time. But, let's go to the nearest village, because I really need to, be next part. Here we go. Okay, time has now resumed. Oh, shoot, a zombie. Crap. Okay, so, give Happy Minecraft bread 64. Okay, so, if we yeah. So, the next ability is a wormhole, which, well, it's a black hole, and you can guess what it sucks, entities into it, which is fun. So, oh, he has an enchanted bow. Oh, look at that! Oh! Ow! Okay, yo, chill. Ah! Okay. You know what? Really? No. Okay, so I'm gonna, no, purple and orange. Black, green. What's the other one? I may have forgotten it. Oh no. Wait. Hold on. I think, oh, it was red. Red, okay. So now we get 6 6 other stars. Gold. And Eye of Ender. So we make the stones. Like so. No. Okay. Hey, Mr. Creeper. No. Okay. There we go. So now we're collecting all the stones. Throw all of them on the ground. No. Don't want to pick it back up. Ta-da! Okay, Infinity Gauntlet. So, the next ability we have is a portal. So, actually I need my bread. Red 64. Okay. So, if we go into a place where there's no mobs around, game mode game mode survival. So we're now in survival mode. Oh no. So we right click to make a portal. Whoa! Whoa! Hey chicken! Oh shoot! So yeah, you can just portal around. No! I'm gonna make difficulty easy, cause this is way too hard. Okay. Shoot. Okay. So, stability we have is this, which is, well, basically invincibility. Look at this. It's not doing anything to me. In fact, they're just helping me out make a big explosion. But so yeah, the more bars you have filled up kind of above your hotbar, the bigger of an explosion you'll make. See? I just made a small explosion right there. And then once you get all the bars filled up, oh actually, for once I'm happy to see a creeper. Hey, Mr. Creeper. Oh. Oh, hey again. What's up? Oh. Ow. Mm-hmm. Ow. 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 Creeper, Mr. Creeper. Oh gosh. What happened there? Ugh. They're just helping me out, you know. Oh hey spiders. What's up? Ow. Ow. Oh great, I've got an army of zombies and spiders after me. Oh hey look, why not look an Enderman in the eye? Oh shoot. Okay, the bar's almost completely full. Alright, it's completely full. Yes! How did you guys survive? Okay, how did you survive that? There we go, finally dead. So yeah, that's the invincibility ability. Woo! And you can also jump super high with it when there's no bars. Woo! Kill me, I dare you. Oh hey, Mr. Creeper, how are you? Woo! This skeleton missed so bad. Ow, 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 ow. Oh no, oh great, now a skeleton just, no, a spider just killed a skeleton. That's perfect. Let's see. Oh hey, here's another Enderman. Fudge, fudge, fudge. You will feel the wrath of Cheese test subject right now. Did the Enderman survive? The Enderman could not have survived that. Oh, hey, an Ender Pearl. I guess it didn't. Goodbye. Oh. Oh, hey, Mr. Creeper. How are you today? I'm very good. Ugh. Oh, hey there, Mr. Creeper. You just keep respawning, huh? I'm having way too much fun with this ability. Whoa! Ugh. Oh, hey, I remember this place. Ah! Okay. Woo! Woo! So, the next ability... Oh, is that the last one? Oh, I think that is, guys. Well, I guess we're gonna have to go, I'm gonna have to show you how to install this now. So first, what you're gonna wanna do is go into .minecraft and go into, once you're in save, select the world that you want. Oh yeah, guys, sorry, but you will have to download this. So then what you're gonna wanna do after this, you're gonna wanna go into, wait, hold on, I'll be right back. So before you do that, you're gonna wanna load the world in the snapshot, but yeah. Now that you've done that, you wanna go into data packs, and the folder may be empty, so I'm gonna go back to File Explorer, go to Downloads, Infinity Gauntlet, and this is what you want to do. So you're gonna want to move that to data packs of the world. And now what you're gonna want to do is, if you're in the world, you're gonna want to exit out of the world and come back in. And hold on. So now what you want to do is turn on the resource pack, which should be already on. You'll notice that the carrot on the stick is actually the Infinity Gauntlet, which is funny because wow, just wow, carrot on a stick, huh? But yeah, yeah, so you're in the snapshot, you've got everything. Wait a second. What? This looks like the old Minecraft grass texture. What? Why is this? Why? Okay, okay. So now I'll show you how to install the resource pack. You're going to now go back into .minecraft, 2 resource packs, and I have a lot of resource packs here. 3 of them I've created, I think. Yeah, 3 of them. So now I'm going to actually go back to the Infinity Gauntlet files and put the Infinity Gauntlet resource pack in here. I already actually have it in. See, look, so I'm gonna delete that. I can't do that because the resource pack is active, but you move it into here, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back in and you're gonna select the resource pack. Mine is already selected. And yeah, that's it. So see you guys later.